Would you like a way to sell money? Would you like to make money online without actually having to sell your own physical product? I mean, a lot of us would like to. The actual business model where you actually have a product, you have to make it, you have to go through all the manufacturing, you have to actually stock it in a warehouse. All the other stress that comes with actually owning some sort of physical product or selling some sort of product or service is really, really high. Well, if you actually want to just focus on the marketing and the sales aspect, then right here is a business model that anyone can use and anyone can learn. A lot of people have actually learnt this and quit the jobs and literally sat at home becoming a full-time affiliate. So yes, in this video I'm talking about the 3 best affiliate programs for you to promote today. And don't get me wrong, there is tons, literally endless amounts of affiliate programs that you can promote. Maybe you can promote one that's actually worth doing, that you're actually passionate about. However, here's 3 in this video that have a really high commission rate and also are easy to sell to the right types of audience. So without further ado, let's get into the first one. Number 1 is SEMrush. Now, if you haven't heard of SEMrush before, it's actually a tool to help you and to help any other people that you're going to be working for, help their SEO grow. So if you don't know what SEO is, it's search engine optimization. Now, this is all, I think the actual site itself can be called SEMrush as well, and it basically stands for Search Engine Marketing Rush, basically. The reason why SEMrush is really popular and is used by a lot of businesses is because of the fact that they actually analyze all of your organic traffic and they actually can help you rank above all your competitors in Google. Basically, it just shows you where you're going wrong compared to your competitors. So you can use a lot of its tools like to literally analyze your competitors' backlinks, so the links that they're using that are really good, that help them rank in Google. You can use them, you can find which sites are linking to the site and basically contact them websites and get yourself ranking higher than them in Google by having the same advertisement on the exact link. So it's really worth doing, and it's an amazing tool because you can actually look at what your competitors are doing, the keywords, everything, and you can look at how your website is ranking in Google as well. So this is a really, 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 really great tool to use if you have some sort of online marketing business. Now, this is why it's great to promote to people who are business owners, because right now, because of the coronavirus situation, because of the fact people aren't going outside as much as they used to, a lot of businesses have been coming online. Now, we know ourselves because we've had so many clients come to us. There's actually overwhelming the amount of businesses that really want to go online. So trust me and take my word for it. We are not the only agencies, not the only online marketing agencies, website agencies that are getting tons of work from local businesses and also massive businesses at the same time, because people are seeing a decrease in sales from just having a shop. And the fact that they're not on the internet is a really big wake-up call, because the sites that were on the internet are now massive. Like Amazon's stock has rose up. The revenue is probably the highest it's ever been because people are using it all the time, and because over lockdown it was such a great service to get food, to get any item to your door without leaving the house because so many shops were closed. It's really a great tool to use, and now you can use this yourself to actually promote this tool. So people who are actually starting this business right now, so people who are going online to start some sort of business like an e-commerce store or anything like that, then you can actually promote this to newcoming businesses that are coming into the world of online, coming into the online space, which is a brand new world to them. You can do this to actually promote this tool to show them how you can get higher and get more sales. Now, if you can do this in an effective way, then you can earn up to 40% recurring commission, and the actual plans for SEMrush can go from $100 to a couple $1,000 each year. So it's really worth doing, and because you can get 40% commission from it, it's actually amazing. So I'll leave the link to BRush, which is SEMrush's affiliate program, down below. Pays out pretty much twice a month, and it's a really, really great tool to be using, alongside the fact that it can actually make you a lot of money as well if you're promoting it in the right way. thing with these affiliate programs is it can make you a lot of money because these products that I'm actually getting across to you are actually needed. Like if I was going to you guys, okay, promote this product, which is just random, you know what I mean? It's literally just random, has no effect. Like I really struggle to find a word for it then, but a nose herpica or whatever they're called, you know what I mean? Like tweezers, that's it, tweezers, yeah. If I was telling you guys to get tweezers, people would be like, why am I selling tweezers to random people for a certain amount of commission? Whereas these are actually medium ticket products, and you can actually earn you a lot of money just by promoting it from either a simple YouTube video, a landing page, or even on your own website. So it's always worth doing. You could always do Facebook ads to this and promote it yourself and earn a lot of money in the meantime. So yeah, that's one to think about. The link to BeRush is in the description below. You can check everything out. They pay twice a month, 40% recurring commission. It's really worth it, so I'd recommend using that one. Now let's go on to the second one. The second one is ExpressVPN. Now, if you watch a lot of YouTube, like I do myself, then you might realise that a lot of actual YouTubers promote this. Doesn't matter what niche audience you're going into, it could be literally anything from the Sidemen to, I've seen it on Lex Friedman, who's a scientist, you know what I mean? It's literally went from one stage to the other. Like a load of people are selling this right now, and the reason why is because you can earn $36 per sale, and you can target this to pretty much any audience. So if you don't know what ExpressVPN is basically just a VPN service. So what it does is change your IP address to whatever you'd like, and it's probably one of the quickest tools that's out there, and probably one of the best, most effective ones that keeps all your details safe and secure. So you could be targeting this towards IT people who want to actually be secure when searching the internet, or maybe they're actually, you never know, they could be doing some not dodgy stuff, but they could be doing something that will get their actual broadband blocked or anything like that, which happens in quite a lot of countries now. So you can promote that to people who people are going to be using this on the actual internet, and you can just say like, well, this is going to protect you from your internet actually finding out what you're using. It protects your search history, it protects everything else, and you can target it towards that audience if you're in the IT space, for example. Now, another little pointer about this is you can actually target this to just any general person at all. So ExpressVPN can be used to go onto Netflix, go onto the American Netflix and watch American Netflix shows, because if you didn't know, like in the UK itself, we don't actually have as many shows on Netflix as the US do. So we always want to know, like, oh, can we get this because we can watch The Walking Dead on it or something, you know what I mean? Like, that's what the generic person wants from just a random VPN, because a lot of people won't be using it to keep the IP safe because they're not really thinking about the internet, you know, what they're searching on the internet, exactly, for example. Part about this is you can reach a wide variety of people at the same time. So yeah, that's ExpressVPN. It's pretty much self-explanatory. It can earn you a lot of money just from just promoting it to your audience. So it's really worth doing. I'd recommend it. The link to ExpressVPN's affiliate program is down in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Now let's get on to number 3. Number 3 is quite a different one, but this is in the health niche, and number 3 is CBD Pure. Now the reason why I have actually picked CBD Pure is because you can target this to a really amazing amount of people again. So you can target it to people with arthritis, anxiety, muscle pain. You can target it towards people with any sort of mental health issue because it helps ease any of these mental health issues. You can target it towards weed users because a lot of people that actually have used it in the past. So you could go to like states where it's legal in the US, Amsterdam. You can target it towards them people and basically say that this is a non-psychoactive product and it can actually help you in so many ways. So basically this is just promoting the medicinal side of cannabis, and it's legal in a lot of countries now. I think it's pretty much legal in all countries, CBD. So yeah, you can basically just say it helps you sleep at night compared to any sort of pharmaceutical drug. It's not as hard. You don't get any sort of come downs as you would with taking what's that drug called? What's that drug called that everyone sort of takes in America, and they wake up in the middle of the night don't actually wake up and start sleepwalking and go on drives and everything. I can't remember, but there's loads of sleep drugs that have really bad side effects, whereas CBD will actually help you sleep normally and it won't give you any bad side effects at all, and it'll help you get a nice deep restful sleep. So there's basically, with CBD Pure, there's tons of things that you can explore, there's tons of ways you can sell it as well. When you got a product that you can actually really sell, then it's easy, because you know that this product is beneficial to other people, and because of the fact it's not your own product either, then you don't have to worry about all the other sides of it. You just have to worry about the selling. Now, if you've never done affiliate programs before, if you've never done affiliate marketing before, then it's a great way to get into the world of sales and online sales, because you don't have to think of anything. You can use these tactics that you use from selling, and you can put them into your own business down the line, and you can make a lot of money to actually start your own business. So if you're sitting there thinking, yes, affiliate programs, they seem decent, like, but I mean, I want to start my business doing this, but you don't have the money for it yet, then this is a great thing to do right now, because you can promote other things, you can learn how to actually sell products online, and then you can use these skills to incorporate into your own business. Well, and another little point is as well, you can actually get money from doing this, and then you can use this money to put into your own business and help build it. So if you're thinking like, oh, I'm just going to sit around and wait for nothing, or just live off your job, then you got to think that that's actually not guaranteed income, because of the fact that businesses are going under like that. If you're in some sort of customer service job, or you're in some sort of not real estate job, if you're in some sort of like high street job, so you work in shops, etc., then you might realise that a lot of businesses are closing down because of the fact that you actually have to pay all this money back that you've had to furlough people with, etc. So, and all the loans that they've actually had to make and everything like that. So you'll realise that everything's not really guaranteed at this moment in time, and if it's worth just leaving a couple hours of Netflix just to promote your own this affiliate program to help you learn a skill by like literally doing something and helping you gain money at the same time, then I think this is really worth it. And I advise you all that are not making any sort of money online to do this right now, just because of the fact that it's a great side hustle. It doesn't take a lot of effort. It helps teach you a skill, and if you do the right products, then you'll be able to find. If you use the right products, then you'll be able to find, literally, you'll be able to find out how simple it is to actually sell things online. I'm not saying like, oh, basically just put like a Facebook ad up and you'll sell it straight away. It's not gonna work like that. You've got to realise that you're gonna fail sometimes at first, and this will teach you actually the elements of business. No successful business, no successful person has ever went through life without failures. Failures will be handed to you right there, and it's about how you learn from them and how you solve these failures. This is what's different between a job. I don't know why I'm going on this little rant, but it's coming through, so I'm telling you. It's what's different between a job and actually business. Business. This is what they never teach you in school, by the way. Business, you're gonna fail. Like, you're gonna fail, and what really stands out from jobs is that if you fail, then you get punished for it. Like, you get shouted at or put on a warning, or you know what I mean. So you can sort of learn how to improve in your mistakes, but they're not really affecting you, because at the end of the day, that paycheck still comes in at the end of the month. Whereas business, if you make some sort of failure, if you try something and make some sort of, it doesn't really work, even though it could not really be that bad, you know what I mean, then you're gonna learn from these mistakes, whether you like it or not, because it's literally just gonna be like, well, you've lost money from that, so you better think of something else quick. That's the world of business, and learning this on the side while, you know, making some money. Do it with money that you're actually willing to throw away, money that you spend on a night out or nice food or something like that. So you're not really bothered about losing it, if that makes sense, and you're really more bothered about the actual gains that are going to come in. I didn't even say the actual commission for CBD Pure. The commission is 40%. There's a lot of other affiliate programs that you'll be able to find. Just type in Google affiliate programs, the best affiliate programs, and look through ones that actually might relate to you. If you're one of these people that likes to work on a passion, it's quite creative, then look for the ones that actually really relate to you, because then you can actually promote this yourself. We'll also be launching an affiliate program ourselves for our e-commerce mastery course. If you like any details for that, it's going to be quite a medium ticket offer, and you could earn hundreds of dollars from this, potentially thousands, depending on how much you sell. If you like some if you are interested in that, then make sure to click on our website below and sign up to our mailing list. Yeah, that was pretty much everything. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like more videos similar to this, and like the video if you have liked all the information that's been shared today. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.